This tutorial, I'm going to show you a side hustle that is making a complete beginner around $500 to $1,000 using AI completely. So if you check this particular data, which is called calodata.com, we have 30 days data over here. And if you check the product that is ranking number one is actually called Goli Nutrition. And they have variety of products that are selling out very fast on TikTok Shop affiliates, and people are jumping on it, promoting it right now. For the past 30 days, they actually made over 6.10 million revenue dollar. So as you can see, the trend is actually going up and going up and up. So if you can jump on this right now, you are going to make a lot of sales and a lot of revenue. So if you check the average sales for this particular product, so if you are selling this product, you are going to make around $15.95 as revenue in terms of any sales you actually generate. So I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to use AI to recreate this product, how you can find some creators that are actually killing it with this product. So what we are going to do next is actually explore this product. So I'm going to click on it and we are going to land on this page. So this page actually shows us the product, which is the Goli Gummy ashwagandha, which is actually vitamin and gummy. So this product has actually been performing very well. As you can see, these are the stats that has been doing the next 30 days. So these are the content creators that have been making video about it, and they actually been banking, making a lot of money. So let's actually copy one of the videos that have been performing very well. So this particular session is about the video and the ad that have been performing. So let's play this one to show you what kind of video that I've been making about this particular product. So it's loading up.
O así, o tienes esto, lo primero que tienes que saber es que no es tu culpa.
This video is actually not in English language, you know, like Goli Gummy is for maybe Philippines, United States. It's actually a very product that actually sell in different countries of the world. So I'm going to find some video that is in English language. So as you can see, let's play this one to show you.
Okay, ahorita hay una falla en...
Okay, this one is actually in Spanish. So let me show you another one that we can replicate. I think this one should be in English language.
Fellas, you have to stop beating your meat, and I'm gonna tell you why right now. All right, so
this particular video have been performing very well on TikTok Shop, and it has generated over $13K, and it actually have over like 1.2 million view and driven like. So we can actually replicate this kind of video with AI. So for we to do that, we can actually go over to this particular product, click on it to show you what we can actually do. So one of the reasons why I actually like using calodata is the fact that it gives me the stats, so that I will not just be, you know, like reinventing the wheel. I can just get this particular script, I can download the script completely, and I'm going to use it to create my own video. So I will actually encourage you to watch this video, because I'm going to show you how you can create the video. So this is the start of this particular view. It has gained over 1 million views. It has sold over 1,000 Goli Gummy, and it has generated over $13,000 in revenue. So I believe you can actually be doing this if you actually want to buy Goli Gummy and be recording it, how you actually buy it, on upload it to TikTok Shop. But for those that doesn't allow, that TikTok Shop is not allowing their country, ensure you keep on watching, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money using this particular method. So I'm going to copy this script, then we are going to need it for this next thing we are going to do. So right now we are going to use this particular AI tool, which is called Ossa.ai. So this particular AI tool, I've made video about it previously in my YouTube channel, so you can actually check it out, or I'm going to drop it inside the video description. So this particular AI tool is specifically made for products like TikTok Shop, because this particular AI tool will create highly quality video for you. So those are the template that this particular AI tool has made in the past. So as you can see, it is 100% free. You can actually sign up for free. You don't need to actually add your credit card to get started. So let's see. You can create an account. All you have to do is to click on start for free over here. You are going to register with your email address, your password, and you confirm your password, then you sign up. So I'm going to drop the link to Ossa.ai inside the video description, because if you actually use this link, you are going to get 1,005 credits to actually kickstart your video journey. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let me actually sign up with my Gmail, so that it will be very, very fast, so I will not be wasting your time. So I'm going to sign in with my Gmail. Already I have an account with them, but I just want to show you how you can get started with Ossa.ai to start creating massive video about Goli Gummy and start making money on TikTok Shop. So as you can see, we are inside the Ossa.ai and we have like 1005 credits to actually make video, and this particular credit can make like 4 or 5 videos for you to test this platform out. So for you to create video with Ossa.ai is very simple and very straightforward. So the first thing is to actually to check the voiceover. So there are different voiceover over here. You know, like one of the reasons why I actually like this platform is the fact that the voiceover are very realistic. Like, you know, like if you are a fan of 11 Lab, you will know that this voiceover is kind of very much okay. So let me play this one to show you the kind of voiceover you are going to be getting. You are using Ossa.ai. I'm going to play this brooms.
Making influence accessible to everyone.
So this one is kind of deep, and let's play this one to show you.
Making influence accessible to everyone.
Daniela, let's play this
one.
Making
influence accessible to everyone.
This one is kind of child voice. So let me play Danny.
Making influence accessible to everyone.
So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will definitely use this particular one because we are very in hurry. So you can choose your voiceover. That's the first settings you have to make. And the second settings you have to make is to actually choose your video style, which is here over here. So you can actually choose any of these styles. So if you are doing action movie, you can choose it. Ancient fairy tale, maybe you are telling a story, you can choose this style. So there are different styles over here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be choosing this cinematic realism, so that we are going to see the preview over here. You can actually see the preview over here. As you can see, it's more of like a movie or a review. So the next thing we are going to choose is to choose the subtitle font. So there are different fonts over here. So if you want to choose, there are a lot of fonts. You can choose animated font, magical font, ninja font, professional font. So I will not be doing much on that because this font is kind of much okay. So the next thing I have to do is to ensure I create my script. So but for the purpose of those that want to use it for TikTok shop, you can actually toggle these additional settings on, toggle it on to be able to make sure that you allow space out and spacing. You know, like when you're on TikTok shop, for you not to swipe up a video, you have to make sure that the video is very fast and there is too much of aggressive zoom out and zoom in. These are the functions, these are the features you can actually choose using this particular Ossa.ai. So one of them is this bounce option. You can actually add bounce option to your subtitle. You can actually make it fade away. You can actually make it basic or any settings you actually want. So we are going to use bounce over here, and when we are going to choose another pattern, which is the pattern interruption. So we are going to choose either aggressive zoom out because we actually want the video to be very fast. So we are going to choose aggressive zoom out. We can actually, the next one is this transition. We know when you are transiting from one scene to another, we want it to swipe up, swipe down, and swipe left, so that it will ensure that the audience are watching the video from beginning to the end. You know, like most of the video on TikTok shop is very fast, so we can use any of these settings over here. So the next one, which is very important, is this animation. So we can, this particular feature, pan right, pan down, pan zoom, and other features. So you can choose it over here. So it depends on your specification. So one good thing about this platform is the fact that whenever you have chosen all this settings, you can set it as default. So whenever you are doing the next video, you don't need to be doing all these settings again. So video spacing, you know, like TikTok shop is actually video that is very fast. So you can choose your video pacing to be fast or normal. So I think if you are not using if you are a free member, you can actually choose the normal spacing. So, and the next one is the sound volume effect. You can make it to be low. So I think this is much okay. So I'm going to click on save, and the setting has been saved successfully. So whenever I want to do my next video, I don't need to go through all these settings again. So the last thing we are supposed to do right now is to actually copy our script and paste it over here. So we are going to go over to Calodata. So we are going to copy this particular script. You have two options. You can use the AI tool to optimize it for you, but let me copy it, then come over to ChatGPT to actually make sure I shorten this particular script. So if I paste it over here, it's going to give me an error that this particular video is the script is very long. So I'm going to pause this video, optimize this script to make it more engaging, and also add call to action to this video, to the script. So I'm going to pause this video. When I'm done, I'm continuing the video.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, I successfully used ChatGPT to actually shorten this particular script, and this script actually reads like this: stop beating your meat. And here is why. After a week, my energy is through the roof and people notice me. I've started using Goli Gummy as Gwanda and they reduce stress and improve sleep. If you want to try them out, comment Goli and I will share you the link. So the reason why I'm actually telling them to actually comment Goli is because we are going to use an automation to actually send them the link automatically for those that doesn't have TikTok Shop affiliate enabled in their country. So that is why I'm actually using comment Goli inside the video. So I'm going to go over here and click on create a video, and you are going to watch this AI to do the video for us within 15 minutes. So while the video is being rendering, I'm going to show you the next thing we are supposed to do so that we can be able to automate the Goli we actually mentioned inside the video. So I'm going to wait for it.
A few moments later.
So after waiting for average about 6 or 10 minutes, the video has been rendered successfully. So as you can see, you can actually edit the video to maybe you don't like the scene, or you want to actually add more text to it. You can edit it, or you can actually download it. So I've already downloaded the video. So let me show you the overview of the video. So I'm going to play the video over here. So this is the video. You are going to see what this AI tool has eventually done for us. So it actually make the video much okay. So it's going to play the video over
Stop
here.
beating your meat, and here's why. After just 1 week, my energy is through the roof and people notice me. I've also started taking Goli Ashwa.
So if you check this particular video, as you can see, we have Goli Gummy, exact name
Stop
of the
beating your
product.
meat. And
so that is why I actually like this particular Ossa.ai, because it creates a realistic video for us that we can actually use on different platforms like Facebook.
Stop beating.
Like Facebook, like TikTok, or like Instagram. So the next thing we are supposed to do right now is if you are from eligible country, we can actually upload this video to our TikTok shop to start making money. But for those that doesn't have TikTok shop enabled in their country, so there is option for you. So the first thing you have to do is to come to their official website, which is Goli Gummy. Then you can sign up as their partner. So when you sign up as their partner, you're going to get your affiliate link for you to start promoting on Instagram, on Facebook. So and finally, when Goli Gummy actually approve you as your affiliate, if you are not from eligible country, so you have to make sure that you automate the entire process. And for you to do that, you have to use this particular AI tool, which is called Manychat. So Manychat allow you to actually automate the entire process. You know, like you can be posting on Facebook, on Instagram, and you are going to be sending your link automatically to them. So as you can see, you can actually automate for your Instagram post, your messenger post, and different platform. Like if you have audience on WhatsApp, you can actually automate it. So in the next video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can automate that Goli Gummy, so that whenever your audience actually comments Goli inside the video description or in the comment section, they are going to be sent a link automatically, which is going to be your affiliate link. I hope this video actually help you out. The reason why I'm kind of very fast is the fact that the video is very long, and I want to actually split it into another video. So ensure you subscribe so that you are going to see the next video about this particular topic. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.